Greetings from the height of mobile luxury. The well-known luxury brand Rolls-Royce takes you to a new world in 2026. The world of road travel. Presenting the Rolls-Royce Motorhome for 2026. It creates what seems to be a piece of art from the outside by fusing the renowned Rolls-Royce design with the enormous size of a camper. The Spirit of Ecstasy leads with its iconic Pantheon grille and cutting-edge laser illumination on either side. A custom two-tone paint job that reflects the sky or the scenery it crosses completes the svelte bodywork. From the hand-polished 24-inch alloy wheels to the beautifully inlaid chrome details, every element radiates elegance. This beauty was the result of an engineering marvel. The cutting-edge 6.75-liter twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 produces an amazing 700 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic transmission that provides incredible power and unmatched smoothness makes every ride, even over difficult terrain, as smooth as a cloud. Unmatched comfort is guaranteed every mile thanks to contemporary adaptive suspension technology that automatically adapts to the driving conditions. The dashboard that greets you as soon as you enter is a piece of digital art rather than merely a control panel. It is made of high-gloss carbon fiber or hand-polished veneer wood and features a panoramic OLED display that fills almost the whole width of the cabin. It has dynamic 3D holographic navigation, multi-zone climate control, and important information displays. The steering wheel is even more of a sculpture with its cool-to-the-touch metal embellishments, quick capacitive touch controls, and silky leather padding. In a Rolls-Royce, time is a luxury that should be appreciated, and the custom-made Swiss analog clock in the middle lends a touch of classic elegance. The interior of a Rolls-Royce campervan, with its always shifting scenery, is a beautiful addition to any home. You can unwind in unmatched luxury thanks to the custom leather seats that rotate and fully recline. The cabin's gorgeous real wood paneling, polished metal accents, and adjustable LED ambient lighting create a mood-appropriate atmosphere. A unique soundproofing technology ensures a library-like atmosphere even with the sounds of the road outside. Without compromising privacy, you may enjoy views of the countryside through large, electrically veiled panoramic windows. You enter the master bedroom, a peaceful sanctuary, through the exquisite sliding doors. An ergonomic mattress on a king-size bed guarantees a good night's sleep. Soft silk curtains and wood paneling adorn the walls, and the subdued lighting produces a soothing impression. When a button is pressed, a hidden OLED TV that provides your own entertainment will emerge from the ceiling. Your items are kept organized with a spacious closet and well-planned storage areas, and the ideal sleeping temperature is guaranteed with personal climate control. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome's bathroom is a masterful fusion of luxury and utility. It has a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and continuous water pressure, 2 basins with gold-plated faucets, authentic Italian marble flooring, and a modern ceramic toilet. Shining chrome accents, adjustable lighting, and anti-fog mirrors all contribute to the luxurious experience. This is your own spa wherever you go, not just a restroom. According to Rolls-Royce standards, even the kitchen has been refurbished. A small gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. This contains a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven microwave, a built-in dishwasher, and a multi-burner induction cooktop. The bespoke cabinets provide enough storage, and the counters are made of polished quartz stone. Clean, filtered water is provided via an integrated water dispenser, and the necessary supplies may be kept in a tiny pantry. This kitchen is meant to inspire you whether you're cooking a fast supper or a gourmet feast.